it's nice to be back in the finals, especially in the All-Filipino Cup. But regarding your question, sir, it's actually really a different story because those things that they beat us, that's already gone in the elimination, and this is a different ball game, which is finals, And we know na everybody's thinking na San Miguel is really a mighty team, and I've heard that always among the commentator. But guys, the other team is equally talented. They are really strong, especially at Token Tex. They won 2 championships in the last 2 conferences, and that experience is really something they can dwell on. But our team is we're here to redeem ourselves, especially in the last conference. We're not able to make it into the playoffs, and it's enough for the players to realize that it's hard to be at the bottom of the standing. That's why at the start of this conference, so we realize that we need to work hard, and we've gone into basic fundamentals of basketball, both on offense and defense, to come up really competitive, and it pays off. And now we're in the finals against Token Tex. Regarding their situation, there's so many injured players, and that's not really a question for me because we're back. They're in the finals despite of those adversaries. Guys, they are really competitive. And knowing that team, Token Tex, they've been together for a while. In the last 2 conferences, that's not experience for them to play well. Especially, they're gunning for a special reward. So, but we're here not to stop their ambition, but we're here to win games and eventually win the championship.